Hi there, I'm so glad you're here. In today's video, we're going to dive into a super helpful topic: how to order coffee like a native speaker. If you've ever felt unsure about how to order coffee in English or weren't quite sure what the barista was saying, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll be ordering like a pro. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button if you're excited to learn, and subscribe so you don't miss out on more awesome English tips and tricks. And of course, feel free to drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Let's get into it.
Hi there. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I get a medium latte, please?
Sure. Would you like that hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Great. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
That'll be $4.50. Would you like to pay with cash or card?
Card, please. Good morning. Can I get a grande cappuccino with oat milk?
Of course. Would you like any extra flavor like vanilla or caramel?
Yes, can you add a shot of vanilla, please?
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's it. Oh, can you make it extra hot?
Absolutely. That'll be $5.25.
And that's it. Now you know how to order coffee like a native speaker, whether it's a simple order, a customized one, or responding to common barista questions. What's your go-to coffee order? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more everyday English tips. See you next time.